some glitch in that case that, for example, all can predict this is a deepfake.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Hello, welcome to Deepfake the Cyber. Deepfake is the fake media that created by the helping or using the artificial intelligence technology. It's a fake media that with the purpose is make someone looks like someone say something that they never say or do something that they never do. When this is for fun, it's okay. But the problem is this is sometimes can lead to the lack of false informations or some mislead content. For example, if someone want to slandering someone, or for example, if someone to make some apologize if I'm saying this revenge porn. This is something that not really good, guys. The good thing is, right now, there are some artificial intelligence to counter for this kind of the deepfake. We call it like a deepfake detector or deepfake detections in this case. The service of like a deepfake detector or deepfake detections in this case, one of them that I recommend is a deepware.ai, for example. So, for example, if you go to here, deepware.ai in this case. If you click scanner, you can just click this, and then you will go to this one, scanner, and then you just need to make, for example, if you want to detect some things, you just need to copy paste the link of the YouTube or the TikTok or what other else, for example. For example, I'm going to use the YouTube for example. Okay, this video is about our former late president, which is already passed away, and say something about something that happened recently or something like that, which doesn't make sense in this case. Guys, for example, let's test the deepware in this case. You just need to copy here and then make some scan, for example. It will do some tricks in this case. So we can see, for example, we can play here. Okay, for example, this is the predictions, for example. Okay, this is good. This is not deepfake. For example, all can predict this is a deepfake video in this case, okay? Sometimes they also predict this is a real video or a deepfake video in this case. Not all frame by frame can be predicted, what you call this, punctually in this case. You know, deepfake, from here time to time, it's like become more like a very perfect video, guys. The manual way, if you want to know if this is really deepfake or not, you need to play the video in the very slow frame by frame. And then you see when, for example, the head go to the left, or the head go to the right, for example. If you can see there are some glitch in that case, that means that video is a deepfake. That is the trick, manual trick that I suggest this to you. We already see the deepware.ai before, right, guys? Now, what I'm going to show to you is, what about if we make our own Python script, in this case, for the deepfake detection or deepfake detector? This is the good news. And the good news again, but I'm going to explain it to you in the part 2 of this deepfake detections in my next video. So that's why, to make you not miss, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this to others so you won't miss my next part 2 video about the deepfake detector and how you can make it very simple in this case. And as I always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay humble.